Want to know the 3 products I use to get fabulous brows? Here they are. So let me go over them one by one. The first product I use to get fabulous brows is the Browsing Company Brow Pencil in Soft Black. All I do is go here and line the bottom line of my brows really softly. Brush it in really softly. Take the brow spoolie from Browsing Company, my plug, and just brush inward, okay? And then I brush my brows upward, and then I get ready for the next step. My next product is the Browsing Company highlighter pencil. So I go in here with a tan pencil, and all I do is put small dots like this underneath my brows, underneath the brow line. You see the dots? And then I take my finger and I just brush it up, just like that. Blend it right on in with the brows. And that's the brow highlighter. So I like to keep my brows as natural as possible. My next product is the Browsing Company Brow Gel. All right, so all I do is take it, put it on. I don't like any, sticky gel. I like a very soft, light gel. And I just brush my hairs up. You see, like that. That's it. So I have my brow pencil, I have my brow highlighter, which failed. So my brow highlighter and my brow gel. And there you go, my 3 products that I use to groom my own brows. And then the spoolie brush to make sure I brush everything in place.